Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Zoom Workplace screen sharing not working problem step by step. First, open Zoom Workplace on your computer and start a new meeting. Click the New Meeting button and then click Start to begin the meeting. If screen sharing is not working, click the Share button from the bottom toolbar. The Share window will open. Make sure you select the correct screen or application window that you want to share. If you are sharing a video or audio, enable the Share Sound option before starting screen sharing. If screen sharing still does not work, close the Share window and click the More button. Next, open Settings and go to the Share Screen section. Check the screen sharing settings and make sure the correct display options are selected. Also make sure no other application is blocking screen sharing. Close apps such as Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, OBS, or other screen recording software if they are using screen capture features. If the problem continues, restart Zoom Workplace and try screen sharing again. You should also update Zoom Workplace to the latest version. On Windows, check that Zoom has permission to access your screen if any security or privacy settings are blocking screen capture. Finally, restart your computer and test screen sharing again. That's how you can fix the Zoom Workplace screen sharing not working problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.